up, y'all? It's your girl Fabulous Flourishing Faith, having fun, and I'm back for another video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so when I post new videos you won't miss any of them. With that being said, let's hop into this video. So for today's video, I am using some of the clips that I use for my maintenance vlog. So if you haven't seen that, definitely go check it out when I post it. Turn the bell notifications on so you won't miss it. But for the specification of this video, I'm really just focusing on me finally getting my ends trimmed and me getting my kinky curly cut because it was time. So if you don't already know, I recently moved to Charlotte, me and my now husband. We finally got married. Definitely go check out our wedding countdown vlog, but we finally got married. We're back from the honeymoon and I'm finally acclimated to my new routine as a wife, honey. And I said I can't keep telling my peeps that I need to get my ends trimmed without trimming them because look at them now. They look bad. So I finally had the time to book an appointment since I've been back and I got my ends trimmed and I overall got a nice shaping and a nice cut. So I'm gonna take y'all through the process and where did I go and things that I learned. Even as a natural hair girly, there's always room for growth and improvement, and that is what I'm here to share. So this is just me taking down my hairstyle that I had for my wedding. If you want to see all the wedding content, definitely go check out my Instagram at naturalistic.faith on Instagram and TikTok. I do different stuff over there, but definitely go check those out if you want to see more of the wedding content. But I had to take down this hairstyle and I'm getting my hair done the next day, and as you can see, it's filthy. I've had a lot of product buildup. And as I can say and say again, the ends need to be trimmed. So I'll just do a quick little montage of me taking down my hairstyle, showing y'all some of the shedding that I lost from my hair. And then we're going to head to the salon. I was really skeptical because I just don't let anybody in my natural hair, and I'm new to the Charlotte area, so I did a lot of research and I found the Curl Cave on TikTok, and so I decided to check them out. And my natural hair specialist was Jametta, and I really am glad that I booked with them because I had a good time and they were really cool. I love their little venue. It's in the Elizabeth area. It's nice and chill and it's cute and cozy and inviting. It's definitely in a unique spot, but I loved it. So when I first got there, Jametta sat me down in her chair. She asked me what products I use, what was my natural hair concerns, and what was I trying to achieve. I made sure to explain to her that I definitely know I needed my ends trimmed, what products I like, and how I go about my wash days. So even though I share natural hair tips from y'all, you always have to learn from other people as well. You get other people's advice and curate it to you. And so this was definitely a learning experience for me, as I definitely did get some key takeaways when I went through this whole appointment and experience. So she first started off on my hair when I first got there, and she did a basic blunt cut to really clean up my ends and kind of start shaping my hair before she took me to the shampoo bowl. One of the first things that I learned was to really saturate my hair even before I start my shampoo process. Now I've heard this before, but I typically just don't do it because I feel like it just takes up so much time. But I really noticed a difference when allowing your hair to fully saturate with water before going in with any of your products. So she said to really let your hair saturate for a good 5 minutes with just water before going in with your shampoo. I forgot what shampoo she used, but she did tell me that I only necessarily need to clarify my hair once or post protective style to really get rid of that product buildup, but I should always be following up with a hydrating shampoo. But I always wash my hair twice on wash day, so that wasn't new, but definitely using a hydrating shampoo and lessen up on the clarifying shampoo was definitely a friendly reminder for me and a good tip. Now moving on to the conditioning step. This was definitely an experience for me. She told me that I need to detangle my hair in smaller sections. And when I say smaller sections, I mean smaller. Not your big 4 sections. You need to split your 4 sections in half and then split them in half again, because she said I was probably causing more breakage with my hair because I was detangling my hair in larger sections. So smaller sections, and it's really easy to detangle in smaller sections, and it goes by really quickly once you get the routine down. She used the Innocence conditioner on my hair, and she said when you're using the conditioner, definitely use it in smaller sections, but you should see your hair start to clump together when using your conditioner, as that of course sets your hairstyle. She did recommend the Felicia Leatherwood brush, but she said any good detangling brush, so I went ahead and just picked up the Unbrush, which I really been liking it. It's worth the hype, I must say. But she also detangled in small sections, and we did do a nice steam treatment, which just really helps with penetrating the products into your hair, just really soaking them in. But she said that's the equivalent to using a shower cap. So as you can see, my cute little steam process, and the skin is glowing, honey. But this was definitely much needed and was really relaxing, and my hair came out super soft and bouncy. Now we did do a wash and go for my style. She used products I am very familiar with. We used the Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic, as well as the Innocence I Create Hold. If you haven't seen my video video where I use these two products for a wash and go combo. Definitely go check it out. But she did use the Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic while we were in the shampoo bowl to really make sure my hair was soaking wet, and she did go back and reapply water as she was applying the Uncle Funky's Daughter before bringing me to her chair to apply the Innocence I Create Hold. She did this in really small sections, and she said she really only used a little bit of the Innocence I Create Hold, like really a pump or a little less than a pump on each small section, which you really don't need a lot because that gel is really good. So she sat me under the hooded dryer, which she said for these kind of styles, you know, to heat activate them to really just set them in place. But I'm an air dryer girly, so you know, I might just air dry. But you can also use a diffuser, which I have been loving the pattern diffuser, so I definitely will be picking that up a little bit more often. So my hair is about 95% dry, and she just went in and did some final touches to my cut, and I think it came out really cute, just really shaping up those ends and making sure she gets all of those dead ends because that is what I wanted. And I think it came out really good, y'all. I'm so excited and happy. All right, you guys, I am back home from my hair appointment, and I love. She used products I already know. She gave me a few tips, like I need to be detangling my hair in smaller sections. I think I've been over clarifying my hair with my clarifying shampoo, so I'm going to reduce that to once a month and always follow up with the hydrating shampoo. And then I need to get a new detangling brush. Other than that, she pretty much like reinforced the tips that I already had and make sure I get, you know, like my 3 or 4 month trims to just prevent me having to chop so much. But I love it. It's cute, it's short, it's petite, but it's packing a punch. You know what I mean? Like the hydration, I'll definitely show y'all in different lighting, but the hydration on her is cute and it's giving. It's cute. So I definitely just wanted to sum up and reiterate those things that I learned when going to the Curl Cave. So definitely go check them out if you're in the Charlotte area. And this is just your reminder to get your ends trimmed, babe. You're doing more harm than good. And I don't plan to let my hair get like this again. Just life just be lifing. But get your ends trimmed and curate a natural hair routine that works best for you. But I hope you like this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Definitely go check out my maintenance vlog. But I hope to see you in the next one because over here, we're fabulous, flourishing, and having fun. Bye.